Imagine a Jamaica where its people are empowered to achieve their fullest potential. A Jamaican society that is secure, cohesive, and just, with a prosperous economy and a healthy natural environment. With the integration of geographic information systems, Jamaica can realize those goals. GIS technology is one of the tools the island is using as it positions itself for first world status in the digital age. Geographic information systems are used in various sectors, from water, land, transport, health, education, agriculture, insurance, as well as environment and disaster management.
The Road Safety Unit is unique in that we use GIS technology to ascertain trend, spatial characteristics and distribution of accidents as well as fatalities, because when we put out a report, we try to give factual, and GIS help us in a way that we can show a graphical representation of what is the actual trend.
We use the platform to provide solutions to our client, whether they're from the government or private sector. We provide solutions to make their organization more productive, more efficient, and also to help them to create an environment for sharing and collaboration throughout the organization.
GIS facilitates us being able to map the location of features. So it is place-based, it's location-based, and anything that we think about with regards to society is located somewhere in the island, whether it's human-related or physical, and this can be mapped, it can be monitored, it can be managed effectively with a view to ensuring that we're able to facilitate development.
And now GIS technology is also being used to address national security and public safety challenges.
What will bring success is an increase in public trust, a partnership with our communities, respect for people's rights, less corruption, stemming the flow of our youths into gangs, the use of technology, a calm and informed citizenry, and strong leadership.
By incorporating traditional law enforcement data with information such as demographics, infrastructure, and offender tracking, Jamaica can use GIS to transform information into actionable intelligence. Geospatial tools offer the capability of monitoring, predicting, and countering threats while helping to strategize and support field operations. The use of advanced spatial analytical tools and advanced imaging technologies enable the continuous flow of data between intelligence, law enforcement agencies, and security companies in pre, real-time, and post-operations. Through its secretariat, the National Spatial Data Management Division, the LICJ spearheads Jamaica's implementation of a GIS network across the island. And every year in November, the LICJ promotes the technology through GIS Day and Geography Awareness Week. This year's focus will showcase GIS technology as a crime-fighting tool under the theme Geospatial Technologies, Mapping Our Way to Secure Communities. The 25th anniversary of the LICJ will also be celebrated in November. As part of those celebrations, the Council will host the inaugural GIS User Conference on October 10 and 11, 2017 at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel in Kingston.
It will be a platform to facilitate networking among policymakers, leaders, and other members of society to ensure that best practices can be discussed and employed to ensure that our varied strategic objectives and mandates are met.
It is very useful, so we're hoping that the user conference helps to promote and push GIS in this country.
We want to bring GIS to the fore for not just our GIS community, but for persons outside of that community to be aware of this platform and its capabilities.
We welcome everyone, students, persons from government, private sector, the public at large, to come out to the various events that we have in store for you.
Learn more about the GIS User Conference by visiting gisuserconferenceja.com.